Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 24, which is a lighter concealer. And I'm going to set my eyes with the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm going to use the Coral Beauty Bailey vs. Kailey eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that brown shade and put that in my crease, and then I'm going to use the coral shade as well as the gold shade above it and put those on my lids right next to each other. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment, because I would love to hear from all of you. For eyeliner, I'm going to use the Covergirl Get In Line Liquid Eyeliner in Black Vinyl. Now I'm going to use the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue and the Ioni XL Wispy Full Lashes. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. I already used my face primer, and now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector to correct the dark spots in my face and neck. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this in the same place where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Warm, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter. And I'm going to take the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had that concealer at, and also to do reverse contouring. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation, the shade 440 as my all over face powder. Next, I'm going to use the Morphe Pop of Poppy blush, and I'm going to use the middle shade for my blush. Now to highlight, I'm taking the highlighter shade out of the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. For lips, I'm using the Emily in Paris Parisian Pearl lipstick by Bath & Body Works, and I'm also going to use the Juvia's Place lip liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using the NYX Face Glue Setting Spray. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this Coral Gold eyeshadow look that I did. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted about my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment, because I would love to hear from all of you. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as on my social media handles. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. And I'll see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.